Have a good day to all our friends out there, especially our friends all the way from Sweden. Our Filipino citizen all the way from Sweden. My name is Johnny Sniper Kukilia, and I live here in Antequera, Bohol. Today is December 26, 2021, and we are very affected by the hit of Super Typhoon Odette, signal number 5, the first time in the history in the Philippines. And this is the worst calamities that we had been experienced here in the Philippines, and especially in Bohol. Antequera is one of the affected places in entire Bohol, and we have 21 barangays here as of this time. Not only in Antequera but entire Bohol, entire Cebu City, Negros Oriental, and entire Leyte and somewhere part in Siargao, somewhere in Mindanao. We don't have electricity, we don't have foods, we are in hoarding with the gasoline here. The long kilometers of falling in line just to get the water to our business sectors who sell the waters. Now, I'd like to knock your doors to your hearts, and I'm asking you to help us, because we are in a great disasters right now. Entire Mindanao, and somewhere part in Mindanao, and entire Bohol, and entire Cebu City, and entire Leyte was hit by Super Typhoon Odette, signal number 5. Now, the local government unit here in Antequera still they're looking for supplies, for foods, medicine kits, especially our daily needs right now. We have our citizens here who don't have work, and 90% of the houses here was totally collapsed. And I'd like to knock all your hearts to send us any donations to help us here in Bohol, and especially here in Antequera. And I am one of the private citizens now who initiate to send relief goods, the basic needs of our citizens here in Antequera, Bohol. And there are also our friends from somewhere in other countries who also help us here. So at this point in time, as private citizens here in Antequera, I would like to ask you to help us here. Thank you very much. God will bless you. We get 7 sacks now. Pila ka kilo ni tanan? 100 times 700 kilos. Kini ra sa atong bahay-bahay na sa pagkakaroon kay mao pa rin nalikom na to. Kaya pa sinapay mga maabot. I would like also to thank Sweetfield Channel for your initiative in helping others. To all the viewers, I'm asking for your help. And by sharing this video or Sweetfield Channel's video, we can reach a lot of people that could possibly help us. We Boholanos need you. By sharing and giving, we can feed a lot of people. Thank you very much, and may God bless us all.